0.5mm mill. Hey. Bit dirty, I'll clean those off later. And again, these will have some thread lock on them when they go back in later. Okay. Right, now the pads should be free to just drop out. There we go. Right, what I'm going to do next is actually clean these pistons up. Ordinary soapy water, and then my toothbrush. If you want to get the actual spring out, that's the spring here, what you've got to do is push the pistons in all the way in. Now that pin in there, the sort of clip, should, there you go, come out, and that could do the clean as well. If I use the brake lever gently again, so they come out far enough for me to give them a good clean, because otherwise they were submerged in the housing. If I get them out, I can get to them now and continue cleaning them, but more thoroughly. Get right in there now, and from the back, the other side as well. Okay, it's a whole lot cleaner in there now. What I'm going to do next is put a little bit of water-based lubricant on these, just to help them get in and out again. Oil-based is no good. You've probably heard this advice somewhere else, but oil-based just can perish the rubber. So, and I'll work those in a little bit and get them to come out again. This is fun. There we go. Yeah, already they're much smoother. You can see, easy for me to move in and out, which is what you want when you're braking. It should give you more sensitivity. And lastly, when I think I've lubed these up enough, oiled them, I'll just push the pistons right in. They're really easy to move now, and just give it a final wash to wash any excess off. Okay, nice clean caliper. Push the pistons right all the way in, and remember it goes this way up. It should fit in there quite nicely now, yeah, because they're thick as the calipers. Pistons are right in there, going in nicely. Just press it in. I did shop around, there are cheaper parts to use, but I just went for the Honda original parts, which I bought for £50, 2 sets. Now what I'm told is they should go back in together. There's no particular way, they're both exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which way they go in, to my knowledge. So there, like that. Drop them both in together. Feel that one clicked in place, and that one clicked into place. Now hopefully pins will, what I'll do is I'll just push that spring down a bit to allow the pin to go past it. There you go, it's gone past it. If you saw that, push it in, right in. Maybe I need to do the same with the other one. push that spring down a touch, just so you can see that passes it and through the other new pad. Brilliant, it's in there. What I'll do is just tighten these up a touch, just to start the thread. Now it's in there, yeah, I can see it's going in. What I'll do in a minute is put some red thread lock on this one and that one. Yeah. I'm not going to do that too tight yet because I've got nothing to hold it on. I'll wait till it's on the actual disc, bolted on there. Okay. Again, I haven't got a torque wrench, but I think I've got quite a good feel for this sort of stuff, so that'll do for that one. And the same. Okay, right, all that remains to be done now is to do the other side.